And it was a close shave and a providential escape for passengers on a Riyadh-bound Air India plane as the jet caught fire yesterday after a fuel leak while taxiing for a takeoff at the Mumbai airport. But Air India has refused to accept the blame for this mishap, saying that they did not flout any safety norms.
Shocking pictures at the Mumbai International Airport. Mobile phone footage of what could so easily have been a catastrophe. The left engine of Air India Flight 829 completely engulfed in flames. The fate of 213 passengers in the balance.
There are two versions emerging out of today's incident. According to the first version, which is coming to us from our sources inside the airport authority, it was an alert passenger who noticed spark close to the left engine of the aircraft and in turn alerted the crew members. According to the second version, which is Air India's official version, it was the guard at the watchtower who spotted smoke coming out of the left engine of the aircraft and instantly alerted the ATC, who in turn asked the pilot to abort takeoff immediately.
It all started at 10:22 a.m. The replacement aircraft begins to taxi for takeoff. Passengers look on in shock as a fuel leak in one of the left engines has led to a fire. The plane grinds to a halt. 4 fire tenders come to the rescue. And within minutes, passengers are forced into a procedure they only read about in safety manuals. The plane's doors open and 213 passengers and crew slide to the tarmac.
There are 3 theories doing rounds. The first one, that the maintenance procedures for the spare aircraft to declare airworthy were not followed. The second one, that Air India and the unions have not been of cordial relations, and this could have been a result of a sabotage on the aircraft. The third one, the replacement aircraft itself was not airworthy.
The left engine is on fire. They should not have deployed the slides on the left because the passengers who evacuate, they don't know which way they have to turn and they may run into the fire. So that was the most dangerous thing, which points to a deficiency in the training or the procedures.
Are our processes for maintenance correct? Are they in place? Are they effective? Obviously they are not. This is how any quality man, any flight safety man will say, you can't have an error from a good process.
Every incident involving aviation into a huge tragedy. The fact is, incidents take place, we will take corrective action, but such things do happen in aviation industry.
Was the replacement aircraft below standard? Were the safety procedures overlooked? Did the strife between management and employees over salaries lead to the engineering crew taking shortcuts? The DGCA has ordered a probe into the fire, with the flight engineer derostered. But for the passengers of Air India Flight 829 to Riyadh, these pictures a grim reminder of what could have gone tragically wrong. With Kashif Khusro and Megha Prasad in Mumbai, Dipankar Paul, Times Now.